The Material World 45. I had a thought which I wanted to share. In order to correctly evaluate the worth of things, one must never accept the views of social media, fashion, and culture, as they often get this wrong. For example, social media and culture teaches that having lots of wealth is valuable. Whereas the truth is that having excess wealth only leads to stress, especially when it is misused. An excellent way of judging the value of things, which, in most cases, correlates with the teachings of Islam, is by observing whether something endures or not. All things which have real value, such as peace of mind and good deeds, endure. For example, a person who performed a righteous deed, such as the holy pilgrimage years earlier, will still feel the peace of mind it brings whenever they think about it. Peace of mind granted through the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, is something which also endures, irrespective of the situation one faces. Whereas, the things which have little real value never endure, such as fun and entertainment. For example, when one finishes watching a movie, they begin looking for the next thing to watch, as the fun they experienced with the movie vanished when it finished. Going on leisurely holidays is the same. When one returns from holiday, they often begin planning the next one, as the fun they experienced on holiday vanished the moment they returned home. Having friends is another classic example. Many people sacrifice much for the sake of friendship, even though those friendships which are rooted in the world often fade away with the passing of time. Best friends become strangers. Observing things according to whether they endure or not is therefore an excellent way to judge what has real value and what does not. From this one can learn where they should dedicate their efforts and resources. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 96.
Whatever you have will end, but what Allah has is lasting.